Are you tired of spending hours on video editing? Imagine creating stunning animations and videos in just minutes. Meet CreateStudio 4.0 AI, designed for motion design enthusiasts like you. With powerful editing options, you can easily group elements and edit compositions using our user-friendly panel. Stylize your media with blend modes and add unique animations using track matties. Need advanced features? Our advanced masking tools help you adjust media with precision, all at your fingertips. Plus, gain access to millions of royalty-free images and videos, importable with one click. Speed up your workflow with our extensive keyboard shortcuts. Imagine finishing a project quickly, ready to wow your audience. CreateStudio is not just software, it's your partner in producing eye-catching videos. Open one dashboard, transform your scripts using AI, and generate a full 4K short in no time. It's your creative freedom with no render limits, zero watermarks, and no subscriptions. With a special one-time fee, early adopters lock in lifetime access for just $67. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to lock in your account at affiliatelist.shop/CreateStudio. Click the link below, secure your access to CreateStudio 4.0, and receive free premium bonuses worth over $1,000. Time's ticking. Discover why CreateStudio is the solution you've been waiting for. Get your free tools inside. Hit like. If you love savings, subscribe for more AI hacks and comment CS and tell me what tool you would like us to review next. Start your journey to creating viral shorts and stunning animations today. Thanks for watching. Let's make your marketing effortless with CreateStudio. All the tools you can get paid to promote are also free to sign up for. Everything you need to get started is completely free. Click the link in the description to start your free trial now at affiliatelist.shop/CreateStudio.